The next we continue with the types of linear regression. That is a two types of linear regression algorithm. One is a simple linear regression, second one is a multiple linear regression. Then linear regression line is a relationship between the dependent and independent variable is called as the regression line. A regression line can be shown the two types of relationship. One is in positive linear relationship and second one is a negative linear relationship. If the positive linear relationship is the dependent variable increase on y-axis and dependent variable increases on x-axis, then such as a relationship is termed as a positive linear relationship. The negative linear relationship is the dependent variable decrease on the y-axis and independent variable increase on the x-axis, then such as the relationship is called as a negative linear relationship. The next we have to simple linear regression. It is a simplest form of the linear regression, and it's involved the only one independent variable and one dependent variable. The equations of simple of linear regression is y equal to beta 0 plus beta 1 x, where y is the dependent variable, x is the independent variable, and b naught is the intercept and b1 is the slope. The finding the slope and intercept for the line, the least square regression method to finding the regression is the best fit line. The slope and intercept formula of the line with the m and y-intercept b is equal to y equal to mx plus b. Here x and y is the point of the line. Then m equal to n summation xy minus summation x into summation y divided by n summation x squared minus summation x of whole square. Then b equal to summation y minus m summation x divided by n. Here the assumption of the simple linear regression is the linearity and independence and homosexity. Here the linearity is the independent and dependent variable have the linear relationship with one other. This implies that changes in the dependent variable follow those in the independent variable of the linear fashion. This means that there should be a straight line that can be drawn through the data points. If the relationship is not linear, then linear relation will not be an the accurate model. Then independence, the observation in the data set are independent for each other. This means the values of the dependent variable for one observation does not depend on the value of the dependent variable for another observation. If the observations are not independent, then linear regression will be a accurate model. The homosexity is across all level of the independent variables. The variance of the error is the constant. This indicate the assumption of the independent variables has a no impact on the variance of the error. If the variance of the reduction is not constant, the linear regression will not be an accurate model. The next one is a multiple linear regression. A multiple linear regression is involved in more than one independent variables and one dependent variable. The equation for the multiple linear regression is there. Y equal to beta 0 plus beta 1 into x1 plus beta 2 into x2 plus up to beta n to xn, where the y is the dependent variable and x1 and x2 and xn are the independent variable. Beta 0 is the intercept and beta 1 and beta 2 up to beta n are the slopes. Here the assumption for the multiple linear regressions are the no multicollinearity and additivity and features of selections and overfitting.